this is the last big body part that we're doing any sort of work to, structurally, fabrication and or paint. And we're doing the perimeter. The perimeter we showed you earlier, it's a steel perimeter, brand new. Comes in, gosh, at least 8 or 9 pieces, and we weld it all together. You can see it here, it's steel with the fiberglass. It's already been painted in an epoxy primer. And then I showed you the actual painting of the fiberglass part. What we do is we put a little bit of spray paint on there, so that way when we sand the surface off, we know how much we're taking off from a mill thickness. So right now we're just taking these little clamps, clamping on the surface, which will allow us to then go through and drill out all the spots where there'll be rivets. And there must be at least 100 rivets in this thing or more. So we'll drill out these spots, rivet it, and then sand, and then do some caulking in here. And we'll show you that process. And then ultimately get into paint. And Matt's just showed me the flange on the last part of it. This flange goes over the windshield. Most flanges have deficits on the end. I guess this was no different. And so we did that. And you can see where it goes over, where it bolts on right here. This is where the spritzer would be for the windshield wiper, and it bolts onto the windshield. We will rivet that as well. You can see the rivet holes. Go on and rivet it, and we'll glue it up in there also. We're not relying on the glue for gluing's sake, but we're doing like a seam sealer there to seal it out from the elements. And the windshield will sit right here. Anyway, a lot of things here, and watch it as we build it out and paint it into Syngus white.